fingers today, which are going to involve shoe pastry. And would you look at that? Shoe pastry into a piping bag. And then you're going to want to pipe it into a whole bunch of fingers. Bake these in the oven until they're golden and puffy and fingery. Okay, they look like little bacteria, and we have to let them cool completely before we do anything else. Our plain fingers have cooled off a lot. Now we're going to fill them with stuff that fingers have in them. For that, you're going to need some pastry cream. Wow, look at that! Pastry cream! Spooky, right? It's Halloween, so we're going to make this look like blood. Take your red and add a good amount. Okay, I used like half a bottle of food coloring, and it's still kind of pink, but I have no more red. Another piping bag. Really careful with this color, it'll stain anything and everything. Now get a skewer, stab a hole. Try your best here to fill these up with this pink blood. Holes aren't big enough, so we're going to use a straw. Okay, now fill them up. Ooh. Yeah. Fill them up. Okay, this is such a mess. Put these into the fridge while we do some other stuff. There's red everywhere. Now we're gonna make some nice and easy glaze for the fingers, or skin. Ooh. Some icing sugar. Milk. Melted butter. There. Now you may be thinking to yourself, Aaron, I've seen a witch before. Their skin isn't this pale. I got you. We're gonna add some blue and maybe make it gray. I don't know. Try 2. Oh dear. I mean, that's a beautiful color, but it's not gray. Did I add green? Let's find out. Let's just do 1. Okay, I kind of like where this is going. We're gonna have like a cartoon witch finger. Very much like Wicked Witch of the West witch. Green. You know what? They're alien fingers too. Telling you, this stuff stains. Okay, there's our alien witch skin color thing. Oh dear. I was gonna use red, but I ran out with the blood. So here's how this is gonna work. We've got our gross fingers, we have to put skin on them, and then we have to put fingernails on them, which are really just sliced almonds. So, yeah, well, okay. This will be my first victim. Just dunk it, and then we'll give it a fingernail. This isn't working. Whatever, we have to go forward. Dunk it. Fingernail. Oh, what am I doing? Oh, yeah, that one's got 2 fingernails. That's fun. Even though this isn't working, I'm having a blast. Okay. So I did 5 of them. Haven't decided if I'm gonna do the rest. But these don't look like severed fingers. We have to sever them. So, take this one and just, sever it. Okay, and there you have it. A severed witch alien fingery thing with blood that's pink. Happy Halloween. Okay. They're very sweet. They're also very messy. Is it worth it? Maybe. Depends on what kind of sweet tooth you have. It made way too many. That's that for this week. Happy Halloween. Enjoy your actual candy, not whatever this is. I'll see you next week. Follow me on Instagram, @Aaron's Bakery. Keep cooking, stay healthy. Make those if you want a lot of cleanup. See ya.